Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at some more 3D transformations, and that will be with using the scale tool, and this will be within PrintUP software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back to the program here. So now in the previous video we looked at rotating, so now let's head over to scale. So scale will be the third and last transformation tool on our transformation toolbar, and we can simply click that, seeing that we're still on rotate. Now, once again, like with moving that, or should I say with rotating, you click anywhere, it doesn't scale it, you have to define a scaling point. So we've got these 3 points, so you can see we've got more like a horizontal, width, and a height. So we can use that for vertical, horizontal, and a up and down. So we can use that for scaling, and then you can simply click on arrow with your left mouse button, click and hold and drag it right and left, or up and down. Okay, not so much up and down, more right and left to scale it. And what you can do is keep shifting, and then it will slow down the process, which is convenient. So obviously it's the direction relevant, so yeah, left and right won't be too relevant. Up and down again will be for scaling it. Now, something you might have noticed, it doesn't matter which arrow I choose, the scaling stays consistent throughout the shape. And that is because we have an option enabled called uniform scale. So if I zoom here, you guys can see we've got this option uniform scale enabled. So if I disable this, then we can simply click, let's say, the width, and we can start warping this shape. You can do the same with the actual up and down, or with the height. So if we want to increase the bevel, we can do it that way. Or if you want to really drop it down so you can see the text nice, you can also do it like that. So now obviously you can also, like the other ones, use the actual values here and set in custom amounts in millimeters, or what you can do is set a percentage. So you can, for instance, scale something exactly half. So let's say the X, we can go, let's make this 50%, and then you can see it just scaled up 50%. Keeping in mind this also works with uniform scale. So if I had to reset this, put uniform scale on, and then I make any of these 50%, it will do the overall design 50%. So that's a quick way of getting also percentage type scale if you want to scale it down or up. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the scale tool. Very handy, well thought out, and you'll probably also use it quite often. But in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your searching on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.